Today is a very special day. Today is my birthday, turning 35. Yes, I know, I'm getting old. But to celebrate, I wanted to do something new. I took a day off from work, I loaded my bike in the back of the car, and I'm heading to a place I wanted to ride for quite a long time. It's not far away from home, around 25 minutes drive, so that won't take too long. If you want to celebrate my birthday today, enjoy the video, subscribe to the channel, and welcome to Trail Days. Here I am at Białka Tatranska, Kotlenica bike park. I've discovered this place about 3 weeks ago, and ever since I wanted to come here. It looks very fast, it looks quite jumpy as well. I am not gonna go on hard trails. It's my birthday and I don't wanna hurt myself. So today I'll be focusing only on the blue and see how it is. I've never been here, so let's discover this place. So yeah, here I am on the top now. Look at the view. Wow, it's amazing. So I'll be focusing on the blue trails. There's the beginning from there, starts from there and goes all the way down. This is still a drone channel. So I will be filming with the DJI NEO2, the downhill. Not the first time, because I want to get used to the track. Then later on the second run, I'll be using the DJI NEO2. Okay, without further ado, let's try to survive today. Here we are, flow and jump, blue line. Let's start. Oh, that's fast. Oh, yeah, that's flow and jumpy. Yeah, I need to go careful because I don't know this. Oh, matko. Yeah. Yep. Yep. It's flow and jumpy, but I am not jumping because I'm not feeling comfortable. Opla. You see? I don't know the place. Okay, that was a jump. There is another one. Opla! Oh, yeah, that's flowy. I could have jumped that. My legs already hurt. Oh. I've got a problem on my pedals. See, my feet, they detach. They do detach and I don't like the feeling while I'm in the air. Mama. Yeah, that's very tacky. Oh no, no, no. Look at that. Don't think I'm gonna do that. Oh shit! Went over. Always finger on the brakes to prevent massacres. It's a long trail. Oh mama. So now I'm going back up again. This time I'm gonna use the good old DJI NEO2 to follow me on the trail. I don't know how that's gonna go. I reckon there's gonna be many crashes. The place is quite tight, there are sharp turns and everything, so I don't know how the DJI NEO will behave, but we're here to find out. Look at the view. Let's take the equipment. Hopefully it's gonna be all right. Cycling follow from rear, flat, medium, close.
Unable to take off. Aim camera at subject first. Cycling follow. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, I think that should be all right. Okay. If I survive the first time, I definitely can survive the second one as well. Okay. I don't know. Is it gonna work? How is it gonna work? We're having fun. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Okay, the first jump went nice. Second, no. Okay, that was a good jump. Sector 2. Okay. I think the drone is keeping up quite nicely. Kinda lost me in this section, I guess. Whoa! That was fast. Okay, now that it's gonna be a bit techy, yeah. Done it quite right. I think he's keeping up very nicely, actually. I'm surprised on how good the tracking is. There you are. I did jinx it. Wonder what It hit. I see a bunch of officers down there. Okay, let's go. Section 4. This is the one with the jumps. So far it has been done well, but then after that crash something happened. I can see it's struggling a bit.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
You see? That's why. Okay, I'm alright. That's okay. And I'm okay. I'm alright. Mama. Okay, I'm back on the chairlift. This time I'm taking my drone 360 with me, the anti-gravity A1 360, and I'm on a mission. I'm on a mission to find riders willing to be filmed with a 360 camera. Let's see how that goes. Gonna go to the section where I fell earlier, because that is quite jumpy area. So I'm gonna set up the drone there, and whoever comes, I'm going to take a video of them, and then potentially, if anyone stops and do speak any English, I'm gonna end up doing something better as well, better looking video. I don't know, might be able to set up something. There are some people down there. Look at that jump, that's so clean. Yeah, I wish I'd be able to do them so as well, but no chance. Oh, look at the jumps. Yeah, there's no way I can do that, not a chance. I managed those kids to stop them because they stopped. So I asked them if they were willing to be filmed with a 360 drone, and they've accepted it. So yeah, let's do it. Let's see how that goes. Okay. Let's move that to FPV mode. Like, okay. Okay, so I wanna do a recording as well. Okay, spot mode, screen recording, that is recording. Let's record as well the video, there you go. Okay. Super! The only thing that I don't understand about this drone is why is the drone not so fast? I mean, it's quite slow to be fair. And it's quite annoying, not gonna lie. No! I went a bit. yeah, that was cool. Okay, I've got the shots. I think that was cool. And now I'm a bit curious. So since I'm already here, I'm going to check if there is anyone coming down, and so I can do the video. Yeah, they decided to have a chit chat between them. Too bad. Anyone else is coming? No, I think so. Okay, kiddo. Good, good. Good, kiddo, good. That should be a good shot. That should be actually a good shot. Oh, and I didn't record it. Yes, I am the worst. I am the worst. I am the worst. I didn't record the shot. I didn't record the shot. I am so stupid. That probably was the best shot I could have ever aimed for. Yeah, I messed up earlier. It was a so nice shot, but I had to mess it up because obviously, why not? I didn't press play. So they're coming. Okay, they're coming. 1, 2, and 3. Let's see if I can get a nice shot of them. Okay, that's cool. Right, come. Good boy, good boy, good boy, good boy. Good, jump good. Ah, you could have jumped better. Yeah, I've got the shot this time. I'm not saying no to it. Gonna review it now, and that's it. Stop screen recording. One. There you go. So done with the 360 drone as well. That's some people now cycling. That's cool. There's someone else's as well with the drone. That's so cool. So yeah, now I'm gonna walk back to collect the bike. Gonna go a few more rides, and yeah, I think that's all. It's been a lovely day. Thank you for watching. If you got this far in the video, please consider to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment. If there is any equipment that I should buy, please let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and see you for the next adventure.